Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I know you've seen me wear this outfit, and if you've not, check my other video. I've worn this outfit, watch that video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola, and if this is your first time here, hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I make videos on lifestyle and skincare, so if that's something you are interested in, you definitely want to stick around because we have good things. You could check out my past videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Obviously, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this baby. I feel like this is very underrated. Like, people don't talk about it enough. And in case you're thinking, Lola, what is this? It's a face mask, you guys. It is a face mask. So in case you don't know, I love face masks. I just like any type of face mask except peel off masks. But then I was using it because, like I said, I like face masks. I just stopped because I feel like some things should not just be that painful. That's like, honestly, hands to God, that's what I thought. Some things are not meant to be that painful. So I stopped peel off marks and I just leaned into sheet marks and clay marks. So this is a clay marks. This is Purity Plus Activated Charcoal Detoxifying Face Mask. It detoxifies and purifies the skin. You guys, I like this. I love this face mask. So I use this once a week. Which is every Monday because I don't know. I feel like I have an activity. If you've not seen my skincare video, like my skincare routine video, you should check it out. I explained everything there in details and I showed every product in case you are curious, because someone did comment that I should drop a video on my skincare routine. I'm diverting. So that is this product. I use this face mask every Monday and it just says smooth and even layer of mask over your face, avoiding delicate areas. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove by rinsing thoroughly with warm water or gently wipe away with a warm damp cloth. Caution, yada yada yada, made in the UK, yada yada yada, 100 ml per. So I use this every Monday. I like how it makes me feel. So this is, I wouldn't lie, this is for my lazy girlies that cannot be mixing their masks themselves. So basically, what I would typically do is get the Indian clay mask, apple cider vinegar, and some water, and just mix it up and just put it on your face. Shikina, that's all. But there are some days when that whole process just feels like and looks like a whole lot. And the day I went to the store and I saw this product, I'm like, why not give it a try? I think I'd been seeing it like people's vlogs and people videos, I don't know, and I'm like, what's the worst that could happen? Basically, it's a face mask. I don't think anything horrible will happen. And then I tried it and it was actually good. It felt like it actually detoxified my face and actually left my face clean. So I'll just put this with a brush. I have a brush, but the brush is not with me. The brush is over there and I don't want to stand up. And I would just like, even obviously even the mask, even it on my face, I leave it for 10 minutes. I do the max. I leave it for 10 minutes. I would typically have this before my Monday evening shower. So I shower every evening. I typically do this before my Monday evening shower. I would put this 10 minutes to my bath, wash off my face with my CeraVe face wash, and like just do everything typically. I feel like this actually helps to cleanse my face when I feel like a lot has gone on. Like, too much sun, too much dust, too much, when you just feel like you've gone through a lot, you want to go in with this mask and like just even it on your face, put it, and that's all. I like the fact that it says it has activated charcoal, because in case you don't know, charcoal is actually good for the skin. Now I'm not saying go and burn coal yourself, and I don't know, I've not done it. Obviously the people that do activated charcoal are experts in what they do. I'm going to show you what this looks like. So basically, it looks like a paste. Obviously, it's a paste. It looks like a paste. It's black because it is black because it is charcoal infused. It does not make you darker. Yeah, it does not make you darker. It does not make you darker at all. So this is how it looks. and you like just smooth it out on your face. I've done it this week, so I feel like I've done it twice this week. I wouldn't lie to you guys. I feel like doing it again would be doing too much, and it could actually have an effect on my skin. But basically, this is what it looks like. It's a dark. It's kind of, when you put it on at first, it's glossy, but after a while, when it starts to mattify, it just like, I mean, it dries up. When it's dry, it kind of leaves your face dry. Like when you have it on and when you have it on and you've waited like 10 minutes, which I do. Some people do 5 minutes. It dries, and I don't know. In my opinion, I feel like it's drying. It's like removing the dirt from your face. I just really like the product. Tell me what you think about it. It does not make you darker. I've heard of people saying charcoal makes you darker. I'm not in any form darker than I should. Obviously, my face and my hands. Yeah. So if you watch me to this stage, this is a very short video. I mean, it's just one product. So if you watch me to this stage and you're not subscribed, or you have questions, please drop me a comment down. Or if you've even used the product, drop it down for me in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Recommend products. If you've had a bad experience, if you have questions about you guys, once this is done, I'm definitely getting it again. So tell me what you think, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.